Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Brain Defender Nootropic Supplement. Brain Defender is a nootropic supplement designed to support brain health, improve memory, enhance focus, and increase mental clarity. Its main ingredients include bacopa monieri, ginkgo biloba, alpha-lipoic acid, and Siberian ginseng. It's chosen for its potential cognitive benefits. Bacopa monieri is known for supporting memory and learning, while ginkgo biloba may help with the blood flow to brain and overall mental sharpness. Alpha-lipoic acid is an antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative stress, and Siberian ginseng is believed to reduce mental fatigue and support energy levels. Users have reported mixed experience with Brain Defender. Some notice subtle improvements in focus, concentrations, and alertness during tasks that require mental effort. Many users say that these benefits are gradual and may require consistent use over several weeks. Others, however, do not notice significant changes, highlighting that the effects can vary depending on individuals' body chemistry and lifestyle factors. A key point to consider is that the supplement does not disclose exact dosages for each ingredient, making it difficult to know if the amounts are sufficient to produce meaningful cognitive benefits. While studies on the individual's ingredients like bacopa monieri and ginkgo biloba suggest some potential for improving brain function, the overall scientific evidence for Brain Defender as a complete supplement is limited. Experts recommend viewing it as a supportive aid rather than a guaranteed solution for boosting mental performance. The supplement also promotes general brain health by providing antioxidants and compounds that may help reduce oxidative stress and improve neural function. This could be particularly helpful for individuals who experience mental fatigue or want to maintain cognitive health over time. However, it is not a replacement for healthy lifestyle habits such as a proper sleep, balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and stress management, all of which have a significant impact on cognitive function. Overall, Brain Defender may offer mild cognitive support for some users, especially those looking for enhanced focus and mental energy. Its ingredients have potential benefits, but the results are subtle and can vary. For noticeable long-term improvements in brain function, combining this supplement with healthy habits is recommended. It can be a useful addition to a wellness routine, but it should not be relied on as the sole method for boosting mental performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.